Hello! Namaste. How's everybody doing? Good? Okay. Recently in the news, I've been seeing a lot of this.
तो मेरे को किसी से नफरत नहीं, हेट नहीं।
ओ आतिशबाजी तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी कहानी से आगे कहानी बढ़ती नहीं है तुम्हारी। नहीं तू एक काम कर, तू ना स्ट्राइक मार। असली तो फुद्दू बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, तू मार स्ट्राइक।
Anyway, so I thought to myself, why is this such a big deal? I mean, I haven't seen a lot of Indian TikToks as is. I'm mostly browsing through Instagram and whatever comes in my explore page, I look at it. I don't think I've come across any Indian TikTok videos as much. I have come across some, which is... There are only 2 ratings, to be honest. If it's good, I'll... If it's bad, I'll... Let me just type TikTok and see what happens. Nice. So it's a place in Navi Mumbai. It's called TikTok's Men Fashion. There is also TikTok Juice and Snacks and TikTok Collection. Why is this? Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright, so this is a video that was uploaded in Feb. And this is the latest trending funny, new funny TikTok viral India. Let's just check it out. See what we have here. That's okay, this is before social distancing. It's all good. It's all nice. I don't know. That's my review. राजू तो पतली गली से निकल गया, right?
अच्छा बेबी, जा रहा हूँ फिर मैं।
हाँ मैं गया।
बाय।
ध्यान रखना।
Go man, please.
आप भी।
Yeah, okay, please.
राजू अभी तक साहब नीचे भी नहीं पहुंचे हों।
How many views is this? 1.6 million. This is why the coronavirus came.
अरे नीरज भाई,
हाँ भाई।
मोहब्बत की आखिरी मंजिल क्या है?
ब्लॉक लिस्ट।
Huh? I didn't hear that. What do you say? Wait.
अरे नीरज भाई,
हाँ भाई।
मोहब्बत की आखिरी मंजिल क्या है?
ब्लॉक लिस्ट।
Yeah, that wasn't bad. But the extra effects killed it. But it wasn't bad. I wouldn't give it a I'll just give it a 3 ratings. Going back against my own word. That's how you know you can trust me.
Idiot.
ना जाने वो कौन से लोग रहते हैं जो अपनी बहनों से लड़ते रहते हैं यार। कितनी भूली होती हैं मतलब बहनें। आज सुबह की बात है, मैं सो रहा था, मेरी बहन मुझसे आके कहती है सो रहा है क्या। मन कर रहा था एक खींच के दूं, पर क्या कर सकते हैं, पापा भी सामने ही बैठे थे।
I understand, but violence against women not good, not nice. What is that hairstyle, man? Let me see it again. So I can tell you one thing. This dude, I remember keeping or wanting to keep hair like this when I was in 7th or 8th. So either this dude is in 7th or 8th, or he mentally never moved forward. Don't you hate when that happens? Like people message you at 3 a.m. now and ask, "You up? What do you think?" Obviously I'm up. It's lockdown and quarantine and I have nothing to do except watch The Office for the 700th time. What do you want? But this is not bad. This is not bad. Oh my god. Kill it. No! That's true. That was good. I'll give it that. That was good. But I was the girl also in that scenario. I don't not like. It's not with spiders. It's more with lizards. Which I have one living here. Ramesh.
हे भगवान, मैंने आपसे कभी कुछ नहीं मांगा।
Why is Bhagwan orange? And why did he have him already in his fist? So many questions, so little answers.
पर आज मांग रहा हूँ।
Okay, ask boy.
जो बेचारी लड़कियाँ अपने घर वालों से छुप के अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बात करती है।
Bro, lip sync it correctly. It's annoying me. I don't know. I'm just being too picky at this point. I'm so sorry, but please, sorry. Yeah.
उन लड़कियों के घर वालों को पता चल।
See, this is what the hell did he say? I mean, it cuts before the joke is made, and then he adds an effect on top of it. It's so annoying. I give up just because you're editing. I hate that. I hate and love that noise. It really conveys. Oh my god! My god! You know, it conveys that. So.
क्यों बे साले गद्दार? क्या हुआ? अपने दोस्त को ही धोखा दे रहा है तू? कैसा धोखा? कैसा दोस्त? आदित्य की गर्लफ्रेंड को लेकर घूम रहा है तू भी? रुक साले, मैं भी उसे बताता हूँ। साले बहन है वो मेरी। मुझे तो मैं घर पे आके बताता हूँ।
But why did he beat him up? Why did he beat him up? That guy was did that guy? He didn't do anything. He just informed him that Aditya's dating this girl, bro. And this guy got mad and hit this dude. He hit the messenger. You would never do that, bro. I don't know about this TikTok, but that guy's jump was perfectly synced to the beat. Okay, first of all, nobody does that. Like, nobody does that in public. I've never seen that happen other than in movies. Don't you just love it how you could just stand so close to people and touch them randomly before this whole virus pandemic happened? Yeah, me neither. I hated that then also.
देख भाई, प्यार को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? लव। और दिन को? डे। वो है तू।
And they shouldn't have done that last bit. Otherwise, it was because they did that extra bit it went to this.
तुम्हें कैसी लड़की पसंद है?
मुझे ना क्यूट सी लड़की पसंद है।
वो तो मैं हूँ ही।
अच्छा, और तुमको कैसा लड़का पसंद है?
एकदम स्वीट सा।
है, मैं तो बचपन से मीठा हूँ।
And moving on.
रात भर इंतजार करता हूँ, सुबह मुलाकात होती है, सच कहते हैं लोग, चाय में कुछ अलग ही बात होती है।
Wait, what the f is that?
रात भर इंतजार करता हूँ, सुबह मुलाकात होती है, सच कहते हैं लोग, चाय में कुछ अलग ही बात होती है।
I mean, I understand. Tea is good. Chai is the best. But why do you have to slow-mo yourself for it? And where is the chai? You talk about chai and I don't have chai in the video. You guys suck.
भाई, मेरे को ना वो लड़की बहुत पसंद है। मैं उसको प्रपोज करके आया। जल्दी से मेरे हाथ धो। क्यों हाथ क्यों धोने हैं भाई? अरे हाथ धो के।
It's important. Learn. This is good. I don't know why he's washing the hand. I'm very sure I'll be very, very disappointed. But it's good. You should wash hands. Everybody, 20 seconds. Otherwise, you are the problem.
पीछे पड़ूंगा ना।
Well, that was the episode. I don't know if there were better TikToks or worse TikToks, and how about you send me some? Maybe I'll react to that. But you know what? Just like the theme that these TikTokers do, which is add a little extra something in the end, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to leave you with the TikTok that I felt was the best Indian TikTok I've seen. And I don't know if it's made in India, but there are Indians in it. And how I know that is because of this. And if you guys don't find this funny, I don't know what to tell you. You guys have no soul. You guys have no sense of humor. This is just the best thing I've ever seen this entire year.
Just take it. Read it.
I am a sausage. I am a savage. Savage.
Read it. All of it.
Closey, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What is happening? What is happening?
I agree. What is happening? What is Sky? I wish he's my daddy now. I love him. He's the best. I am a sausage.
Read it.
I am a sausage.
Never get sold. Savage. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, that's great. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I'll try to do better. I'll be better for you. I'll do whatever you want. I'll clean your dishes. I'll shop your essential groceries. I'll do chahadu, katka, mocha. Everything. I will be your Kamwali bhai. Just watch me. Just watch my content. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. And we'll figure it out together. Bye.
I am a sausage.
Hi. You must be wondering what is this channel about. And let me tell you. I have no idea. No, I'm not joking. That is actually the truth. I have no idea what the chance about, but let me tell you. A couple of topics off my head are astrophysics, nuclear science, why Elon Musk named his child, and maybe some other mysteries of life. But then again, it might be none of that and might be something else completely. Might be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of nothing. Who knows? We can go on this venture together. Cheers. It is empty. So. Bye.